So today we're going to see how we can set up our email account on Android. This is if you have an A2 hosting account and you've already set up an email address associated with your website, like info at, and then your domain name, that sort of thing. So the first thing we're going to do on our Android phone is to go to Settings. We'll go to Accounts. And we're going to add an account. We're going to add an IMAP account. So we'll go to Personal, IMAP. Now we'll enter in our email address. That's the one we already set up. Once we have our password, we'll hit Next. For the outgoing server settings, we've already got the username, which is our email address, and our password. Now for the server, we're actually going to do something different. We don't want to use our domain name. We're going to use the server for our A2 hosting account. So you can log into your A2 hosting account. You're in the dashboard, scroll down, click on cPanel Login. That'll take you to your cPanel. Now, if you're on your phone, you'll have to scroll down a bit. If you're on your computer, it'll actually be to the right-hand side, but you're going to find where it says Server Information and click on that. And it's for here, it's the second entry listed, server name. That's what we're going to use. So I'll copy that. Go back to account setup. And to get the full server name, if you're on a shared hosting account, which in this example we are, I'll paste that letter and number combination that I got from cPanel. Then I'm going to hit dot, and a2hosting.com is the last part of that server name. So if you're on a shared account, your server name is going to be some combination of letters, numbers, could be a hyphen or dash, then dot, then a2hosting.com. And I'll hit done and hit next. Now they're asking me my sync frequency. It's up to you how frequent you want it. I'm going to choose every 15 minutes. I'm going to say notify me. Actually, I'm going to say don't notify me because that gets on my nerves, but it's up to you. Sync email for this account, automatically download attachments when connected to Wi-Fi. Sure, I'll hit next, and it says it's ready.